Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to remove Google Authenticator from your Bybit account. So whether you're switching to a new phone or want to set up a different tool for a method, I've got you covered. Let's begin. So firstly, guys, navigate to your profile. As you can see, I've just created some dummy profile. After that, go to your account settings. It's very simple, guys. As you can see, we already have our prompt in here, like a message here. Your account security level is low. Please set up the following as soon as possible, which is Google two-factor authentication. So this is going to be the primary two-factor authentication for your security on your Bybit account. So the way to either set it up or remove it, you need to go to security. And as you can see now, we have in here, right here, Google two-factor authentication. Tap on settings. After that, you will get a verification code to your corresponding email. And after that, you will be able to actually add the your account into the Google Authenticator. In order to remove it, it's very simple, guys. So as far as you know, probably if you've used Google Authenticator before, you can actually have many accounts on Google Authenticator where you have these codes, temporary codes that appear, and you can just use them whenever you want to log in into your account. So in order to just remove the verification from Bybit, you need to after that, you just need to find Google Authenticator section in here in the screen where I'm showing you now, and select and find the option to disable or unlink the two-factor authentication by Google, right? After that, for the security purposes, Bybit will ask you to verify your identity. You'll typically receive a code to your email, just like I've shown you before. After that, enter the code in the prompt. Additionally, you might need to input a code from your existing Google Authenticator app one last time to confirm. And after that, guys, after the codes are entered, click on confirm or unlink. You'll see a message stating that Google Authenticator has been successfully removed from your account. And at this point, your account will solely rely on your email and password for login. And that's it, guys. You've successfully removed Google Authenticator from your Bybit. Remember, it's also crucial to re-enable two-factor authentication as soon as possible for maximum security. Guys, if you like this video, if it helped, press thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you next time.